Here's a Bible prophecy that I believe is going to come to pass very soon. It has not happened yet, but here's what it says. It's a beautiful scene. Jesus Christ standing on a hill at sunrise. The light is shining from behind him, causing his face to be illuminated. His arms are open wide, as if he were to embrace all the people who are standing before him. And these people, they are coming from all over the world. They are from different nations. They've come from every tribe, tongue, and people and nation to stand at the feet of Jesus. Now, this prophecy is found in the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verses 36 to 39, and it goes like this. For just as the days of Noah were, so will be the coming of the Son of Man. For just as in the days before the flood they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage until the day that Noah entered the ark and did not know until the flood came and took them all away, so will the coming of the Son of Man be. Then there will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there will be war and rumors of war. See that you are not troubled, for all these things must come to pass. But the end is not yet. Nation will rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom, and there will be famines and pestilences, and there will be earthquakes in various places. All these are the beginnings of sorrows. So what we have here is Jesus talking about the great tribulation that is going to come upon the earth, but then immediately following that tribulation, there's going to be a great harvest of souls. Who are these people? These are the people who have put their trust in Jesus Christ. They're coming from the four corners of the earth. They've come from every tribe, tongue, and people, and nation to stand at the feet of Jesus. This reminds me of the parable that Jesus gave in Matthew chapter 13, where he talks about a field of wheat and tares. And the tares are pulled up and burned. But the wheat, it's gathered into the garner. So what we have here is a beautiful scene of the final judgment, where Jesus is the judge, and those who have trusted in him will spend eternity with him in heaven. But those who rejected him and did not put their trust in him will be sent to a place of torment called hell. So I want you to make sure that you put your trust in Jesus today, because tomorrow is not promised. Put your trust in Jesus. Receive him as your Savior. Love him with all your heart, all your soul, and all your strength. Follow him closely. Make no mistake about it, there will be trouble in the days ahead. But if you are following Jesus, you can be assured that you will hear him say to you one day, "Well done, good and faithful servant." Thank you for watching this video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you join our growing online family. God bless you. Until next time.